Hello friends, in today's video we will see how we can make our first Maven project in Spring Boot. Actually I am using Spring Tool Suite IDE. So we will click on this file button and we will go to new, and after that Spring Starter project we will click on Spring Starter project, or even we can directly for the first time it is showing here only, so we can create new Spring Starter project. Okay, and we will give the project details. Our suppose this is our demo project. If you want to change the name, you can change here. Okay, so Java version I am selecting Java 8. This is the group name and artifact name. If you want to change, you can change it, but as it is a demo project, so I am leaving it as it is. Okay, then I will click on next button. Then here is the main thing, like which dependency we need in our project. So for demo project we need only web dependency, so I will take web, this one is spring web. I will check this spring web, here it came. And also one more dependency I am taking for auto save, so I am taking dev tools. See if it will come. Yeah, here it is. So what dev tools do is when we save our project, it will automatically relaunch our project. Okay, we will click on finish button. We have clicked on finish button. Here it's showing like import getting started content 20%. So let it happen, then we will do further. Okay, so it will take time, and also you should be connect to internet, because what dependency is, it downloads some jar files from the internet, so it also depends on your speed of the internet. Okay, so let's wait. As we can see here that our project has imported successfully. Then we will expand this demo package. Inside this, see the structure. What we will do, that will be in our com.example.demo package. One by default main class has came. Try to print something in main class. So for printing in Java it is simple, like system.out.println. For shortcut, see every shortcut of Eclipse will work in STS. Fine. So it is same like STS, but it is for Spring Boot framework. So here I am printing hello world. Okay, then let's save the project and run as Java project. Java application. So let's see in the console whether our message is printing or not. Sorry, here spelling mistake of hello, so that should only print. Let's check. See, our hello world is printing fine. And also when we expand this console, see our Tomcat started on port 8080, means by default port number is 8080. Okay, so by default our project is running in 8080 port. So also actually it is a web framework, so now we will try to see our that message in web. So for that we can do in this class also, or we can also create a separate class, controller class. New, we will create one package, demo.controller. Actually for Spring Boot there are three layers, like controller layer, service layer and database layer. So we will discuss this later. Now let's try one controller package, and inside our controller package I will create one controller class, and I will name this class as demo controller. Okay, let's open this class. It is opened automatically. So for that, see, Spring Boot is a annotation based framework. Annotation based framework means we will just put some annotation and it will enable some functionalities for us. So let's put the annotation REST controller. REST controller because we used to make REST API from Spring Boot. So I have made this REST controller, and I will make one method for get mapping. Get mapping, okay, and nothing. I will just put slash here and public string. I need to print one string in web, so string demo method. I will make this method as demo method, and I will simply just return one string. Return this is our first REST API project. Whatever we will return, it should print in web. So I have saved this project. See, started application has started, relaunched again. I will go to browser. You can go any browser, and for checking whether our project is working or not, we will go, what is the URL? URL is localhost /8080 / see, that message is printing in the web. So we have successfully created our first project in Spring Boot, and also our check this project in the web. This is our first REST API. So for in next videos we will discuss about the next topic of the Spring Boot, like put mapping, post mapping. We will also create to the database and access that data. We will make CRUD application and all. So let's sum up this video. Thank you for watching this video.